How to add a collision to your Supersplat model and make it walkable like this one. Hi, my name is Andrii Shramko and I'll show you some hidden features in Supersplat. How to add it. Just go to your Supersplat account, then you can choose your project or you can upload a new one. I advise you LCC format because LOD features. Then open it in Studio. Here at the top you can see only 10 and annotation. But for see a hidden feature you need type this part in this URL. Hit enter and it's appear new assets. Here you can delete or upload a new version of your collisions. For example, I will delete one and how to upload it. For uploading you need to have a voxel collisions pair. Before upload you need to create this voxel pair. Go to convert, drag and drop your files. You need to choose a PLY version. Something like this one. Open it, then choose voxel zip, voxel collision build. Then you can a little bit change this resolution and add an action. Rotate it to 90 degrees. All of course depends are you uploading an PLY from LCC Studio or you are doing from a post shot. If you are doing from a post shot, I think you don't need to rotate it, but if you are PLY from an Xgrids software, you need to rotate it. If you import LCC, then you need to create a collision with a 90-degree rotation by X. Download and convert. Now you need to save this zip. Now we have this voxel file. Go to manager, open in Studio again, type this alpha in the URL, go to assets, upload voxel collision, drag and drop, open it, select both files, open, upload voxel pair. Now you can go to view and check your collisions. Supersplat will add this new walk mode when you upload the voxel file, and now you can walk around your property. And this, if you upload an LCC file, you will have LOD features. It will not work if you just do it with an editor. That's why you need to go to this upload splat and upload LCC zip file, zipped LCC file here. Also, Supersplat have some problems. If you have a very close object to each other, for example here, your walking mode not works because of this. You need to jump and go there. But if you want to edit these collisions here, you just need to open your PLY file in any editors, delete unnecessary parts, collision parts, and save it again and import as a collisions to your seen this file. Feel free to download from my Google Drive link for your researches and tests. It's for free, and I also have a tons of different highly detailed CT scans environments for your researches. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you, Andrii Shramko.